Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this cute cake topper picks which are perfect for a baby shower. Okay, let's get started. Start off by rolling your modelling paste to approximately 4 to 5mm in thickness. Using your letter stamp, emboss the words firmly into your modelling paste. If you have pressed a little bit too firmly like I did in the modelling paste, you can gently rub it with your fingers and that will just smooth out the marks. Use the scalloped edge side of your cookie cutter to cut around the wording. Then remove any excess modelling paste. You can use a small spatula to free up your topper from your work surface. Use the end of a paintbrush or a modelling tool to push holes right around the scalloped part of the topper. Make sure that you push the end of your paintbrush right down to the bottom of your topper. Now at this point you need a small piece of white modelling paste and roll that out with your rolling pin. And now you can use your star plunger to cut out a star. Use a paintbrush to dampen the back of the star with water, and then you can fix the star to the bottom of your topper, just underneath the wording boy. Now at this point you need a toothpick in which you will insert at the bottom of your topper. And you can push your toothpick maybe about half the way up the topper. So for this topper I've made a pink one and I've embossed the words "It's a girl." So for this topper I'll be decorating it with a white bow. I've dusted a bow mould and I've got my small piece of modelling paste and I've pushed it into the mould. Use a knife to cut off the excess modelling paste from the back of the mould. Turn the mould over and use your thumbs to push the bow out. Brush a small amount of water onto the back of the bow and then you can fix the bow to the bottom of your topper, just underneath where it says girl. So for this topper I've coloured it grey and I've embossed the words "It's a" and a question mark. So this topper will be perfect to use if you don't know the gender of your baby. So for this topper I'm decorating it with a yellow heart. So I've dusted the mould with a little bit of corn flour and I've got my yellow modelling paste which I've put in the heart mould and cut the excess off with a knife. Stick your yellow heart on with a little bit of water, and you can stick that just underneath the question mark on your topper. To finish off your toppers, you can use some white luster dust just over the tops, and that will give it a pearl effect finish. So now you can leave your toppers to dry overnight. You can leave it on a flat surface dusted with corn flour, or you can stick them in polystyrene blocks. As you're using toothpicks, they're food safe, so this means that you can stick them straight into your cakes.
Enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye.